In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a conversation in Google Chat on Gmail. Now, there might be times when you want to keep your inbox tidy or simply hide certain chat threads for a more streamlined appearance. This tutorial is just what you need to accomplish that efficiently and easily. So let's walk through the steps together and make sure everything is clear and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail account and ensure you're logged in. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see the chat section conveniently situated there. Click on the chat icon to open up your messages. This will bring up a list of all your recent conversations, both direct messages and group chats. Next, search for the direct message thread that you wish to hide. As you hover over the specific chat you're interested in, you'll notice three vertical dots appear, typically referred to as the More Options menu. Move your cursor over to these three dots and click them. Opening this menu will reveal a small list of actions you can take regarding the chat. One of the options you'll find in this list is labelled Hide Conversation. Click on this option. Once you do, the conversation will disappear from your active chat list, giving you a cleaner and more organised view of your remaining conversations. It's important to note that hiding a conversation does not delete it. The conversation is simply archived in your chat history, and if you want to access it later, you can still do so. To retrieve any hidden conversations, just start typing the name of the person or the group in the search bar, and you'll see the archived conversation pop right up. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide conversations in Google Chat on Gmail. Whether you're tidying up or just want a bit more privacy, this method ensures you can manage your conversations with ease. Remember, you can always unhide these chats at any time. This flexibility makes it convenient to prioritize which conversations are in view, while knowing everything else is just a search away. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on optimizing your Gmail experience. Thanks for joining me and happy chatting.